Yo, what's up guys? This is John from Hypertech John, and this is my unboxing with the DragonWar Gladiator professional gaming keyboard. Alright, so this is the front of the box. Alright. So it has rainbow light illumination. There is 3 styles that you could choose. It says it's a semi-mechanical keyboard. Okay, I'll have to check that later on. So here is the back of the box. As you can see, it shows you the lighting 1, lighting 2, and lighting 3. Alright, it also has a gold-plated USB connector. So let's go ahead and okay. So for those who's asking compatibility, so it is compatible with Mac, in the old Windows Vista, Windows 7, 8, and the newer Windows 10. Alright, and key rollover. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the keyboard itself. Bear with me guys, since I'm holding the camera by myself and the other hand is unboxing. Okay, here we go. Alright, there we go. Nice. Alright, quick story that guys, actually my boss recommended me this store near at my area. So he has the like, I think a DragonWar or something. It's a different model, but it has 3 colors that you could choose. 3 solid colors. I think it's like violet, blue, and red. So this has a rainbow effect on it. He has like a keyboard mouse combo. So me, I don't need a keyboard since I have a Salmon gaming keyboard here connected to my computer. So I only need a gaming keyboard. So this is the Gladiator, DragonWar Gladiator. Right. I'm gonna hook this up later on, guys, so that you'll see what's the what it looks like when it's lit up. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and look at the cable. So as you can see, it is gold plated. Mind you guys, it is gold plated. It's coated with, you know, gold on it just to make it more durable, but it is not real gold. All right, just wanna bring that out. So as you can see, it is right now it's hard. So it's a hard braided cable, so that's good. Increases the durability on it. Okay, at the back of the keyboard. Okay, so you have tabs here if you wanna increase the height. Okay, rubber pads here so that the keyboard is secure, it won't slip. You can see here that it has either side cable holes, if I may say. So you could use this cable to probably let's see, I'm not sure guys if we're able to do so. Yeah, I think you could make some cable management there. I'm not sure, but anyway, I won't be doing any cable management since that I'll be hiding this cable at the you know, back of my computer. I'm also gonna use this keyboard on the office, even though I do have a a very old Acer keyboard that I actually painted metallic Lamborghini red, or I could say a metallic blood red paint on it. But I would prefer this keyboard to that I'm gonna use because one, this is a semi-mechanical keyboard. 2, it has light on it. Alright, so the next video, guys, is I'll be connecting this on my computer and for you guys to see what it looks like when it's lit up. So here it is, guys. This is now the keyboard connected to my computer. Bear with me since I'm currently in the process of arranging stuff here on my desktop. Alright, let me go ahead and turn off the flash here on my Acer Zenfone Go for you to see, guys. So as you can see, the light is not that bright, not that low light on it, but it's in the middle. That's good. It's not gonna hurt your eye. Okay. So there's a button here that you could change the light on it. So let's see. Alright, so it's green here, orange and red, and there's like a mix of pink and lavender, and there's like violet and blue. Let's change it. Alright, so it's like cyan, yellow, pink, and skin tone here. So there's red on it. Alright, guys, so anyway, this is my quick unboxing and testing with the DragonWar Gladiator semi-mechanical keyboard. So anyway, guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, you could go ahead and subscribe for you to be updated on my my next upcoming video very soon. If you like my video, you go ahead and click the like button there, and if you don't like, you could go ahead and click the dislike button. Anyway, guys, again, this is John from HyperTech John. Thank you so much for watching my video. You have a good day.